1997, Fernando Mercado, just a little short this time. And Chevrolet. Michael Lyons out front early and holds on for a close one. 8:23, 8:45 for the Corvette. 8:23 for Michael Lyons, and that.
So the 1,000, you know what we raced on Harbor Drive.
Samuel Poley with another W in the Ford Focus.
Drive and he lost when he went.
At nearly 103 miles an hour. And the right side. Alright. Woo! Alright, so I got some shout outs. I got 61. Gets there first as well. Chevy and Ford, the classic matchup, the Nova and the Mustang on track number 1. And the 64.